Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and happy Black History Month, y'all. It is a tradition here on the channel that every video in the month of February start with a quote from an African American. And that's just a reminder that African American history is US history and it's world history. So today's quote is coming from an author, a feminist, a professor, a political activist, none other than Angela Davis. And the quote says, "In a racist society, it's not enough to be non-racist, we must be anti-racist." So today's video is gonna show you how to use your leftovers and make something out of nothing. I made carrot juice recently, and you've seen me do that before on the channel, and you know that I use my Vitamix. So instead of getting a pulp, I end up with a puree, and I decided to make a bread that's kind of similar to that apple bread that I made in the past on the channel, but this time I decided to venture out and make an orange glaze to go on top, and y'all, I shared it with my family and my friends, and the consensus is that it is poppin'. Like, it's poppin', period. So stay tuned to the video so you can see how I make it. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then go ahead with your dry ingredients. So we've got flour going in. I used bread flour, but this also works with regular flour because we're adding in baking soda and baking powder to help it rise. Got some salt and some cinnamon and then giving that a mix. This next step is optional, but I had some leftover instant pudding mix and I love to add that to a bread, so I did. And I'm just mixing that in, also going in with some sugar. Why I'm not pouring it on camera, I don't know. Then again, like I said, mixing it. And then I've got a cup of my carrot puree. Now I'm adding in my wet ingredients, so milk, oil, and vanilla extract. And then I'm just gonna mix all that together till it's well combined. And then I'm adding it into a loaf pan that has some parchment paper. I saw this thing that said like, oh, crumple the parchment paper first. So that's why it looks crazy on film. And then I'm just adding in this brown sugar mix that you've seen me make on the channel before. And I'm just layering it in there. Don't do what I did. I definitely overfilled this. And that's why if you look on the side, once it baked for about an hour, it kind of split open. Anyway, I set that aside to cool, and then I'm gonna make my glaze. So powdered sugar, orange zest, and then the juice from an orange. I thought I was just gonna use half an orange, but it started to look crazy right here, and so I decided to add in a whole orange for the liquid, and then I got a nice, beautiful consistency for my glaze. So this is what you're looking for. Then I just put it into a Ziploc bag and I piped it across, and sorry I don't have any pictures of it sliced because I went straight to eating it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.